Hello robot fans, in this short video tutorial I'm going to talk to you about Samantha module and how to configure it. Teams participating in the FTC robotics competition are required to use LEGO Mindstorm's NXT brick to control their robots' functions. Prior to the start of each match, Field Management System, which is responsible for synchronizing the gameplay, must associate with the NXT brick of each participating robot. They used to maintain that association between Field Management System and robots via Bluetooth. But it was not efficient and the communication used to be interfered by cell phones which are being used in the same building with Field Management System. To be able to fix that issue, they developed a new device and named it Samantha module. And as of 2011 FTC season, participating teams are required to use Samantha module to associate their robots with Field Management System. Samantha module utilizes a microchip called PIC32MX with 512 KB of flash memory. It uses Wi-Fi and it has built-in LED indicators as interface, a USB port and a push button. And all these are in a 3x2x1 plastic black box. Are you scared? Don't be, you won't need that nerdy technical information. All it does is just let your robot talk to the field router via wireless. I'm sure wiring and configuring the Samantha will be a piece of cake for you. You need to follow this diagram when wiring it. If you pay attention, Samantha's power wires are directly being connected to the battery. Try to be extra careful when you are doing this connection. If your Samantha doesn't get the power, this is how your robot is going to act like in the middle of the ring. And this is how your opponent's robots are going to act like. After getting the Samantha powered directly by your battery via power switch, now we can talk about configuring it. In a test or competition environment, there may be multiple wireless networks, and the strongest or any open network may actually not be the appropriate one to use. For this reason, Samantha will need to have an internal SSID and the network key of the correct wireless network to connect. So basically you need to teach it which network to connect. So let's do it! This process consists of two easy steps. First, firmware update. Second, network configuration setup. To be able to configure your Samantha, you need two more items besides your Samantha module: a USB flash drive and a computer. Please make sure your flash drive is inserted into your computer. First of all, you need to download and install Field Control System software to your computer. So let's go to US First website and download the software. After installing the downloaded software, go to My Computer, Local Disk, Program Files, Samantha Field Control System, and Samantha, and copy the samantha.txt file. This file is Samantha's firmware. Now go ahead and paste it into your flash drive. Now go to your robot and make sure Samantha is powered off. Insert your thumb drive into your Samantha and press and hold the red button. While you're holding, turn on the power, wait for 3 seconds and release the red button and wait for 30 more seconds. Here you go, you're done with firmware installation. Now let's teach the Samantha which network to connect. Now go back to your computer with your thumb drive and insert it in. Click Start menu, search for Samantha, then launch the program named Samantha Network Config. Here is the Samantha Network Configuration tool we use. In order to get your Samantha connected to the Field Management System, you need to enter your network information in. Once you are finished with entering the SSID, data encryption mode, and network key, click Save. This little information page pops up and says configuration has been written to the drive. Let's go back to your robot and make sure your Samantha is powered on. Now go ahead and insert in your thumb drive to your Samantha and wait for another 30 seconds. That's it, you made it. Your Samantha module is ready to go. Now you can go ahead and connect it to your NXT.